There is a face everyone on earth recognizes. No speeches, no debates, no flashy edits, just silence and clarity. And today, the silence has been valued at nearly $1 billion. Khaby Lame, a Senegal-born creator who became the most followed person on TikTok, has signed what may be one of the most important creator deals in modern history. Not a sponsorship, not a brand partnership, not a full-scale commercial agreement that treats a human being as a global enterprise. The deal, reportedly valued at close to $900 million, grants a company exclusive global rights to Khaby Lame's brand for 3 years. But the real story is not the number. The real story is the structure. Khaby will not receive the full amount upfront. Instead, the deal includes cash and equity, making him a controlling shareholder. That means he benefits from growth long after the headlines fades. This is where African creators must pay attention. Because projections suggest that this partnership could eventually generate up to $4 billion per year through content licensing, artificial intelligence, merchandising, and global e-commerce. That is no longer influencer money, that is corporate money. For context, Khaby Lame was reportedly charging around $750,000 per sponsored post at his peak. To reach 900 million, that way over 3 years, he would need to post more than once every single day without stopping. Instead, he did something far more powerful. He turned his identity into infrastructure. And that is the lesson. African creators are often taught to chase views, chase virality, chase platforms. But Khaby's deal proves that the real value is not in posting, it is in positioning. When your brand becomes scalable, when it can exist without you being online every second, you move from creator to owner. A key part of this deal is artificial intelligence. An AI-powered digital twin of Khaby. An AI-powered digital twin of Khaby Lame will be developed, capable of producing multilingual content, hosting virtual appearances, engaging fans 24 hours a day, and expanding his presence across continents simultaneously. Think about what that means. One African-born creator, multiple markets, multiple languages, infinite scale. Africa has never lacked talent. What Africa has lacked is systems that multiply talent. AI changes that equation, and the Khaby Lame is riding the wave early. But this story didn't start in boardrooms. Khaby Lame was born on March 9, 2000, in Dakar, Senegal. As a child, he moved to Italy with his family. He grew up in his public housing. He lived an ordinary life. He worked as a machine operator in a factory. Then the COVID-19 pandemic arrived. In March 2020, he lost his job. That moment, which breaks many people, became the doorway to reinvention. Khaby started posting videos on TikTok, reacting silently to overly complicated life hacks. No insults, no anger. Just a simple gesture that said, why make life harder than it is? The world understood. By 2021, he was the most followed Italian creator on TikTok. In 2022, he appeared on Forbes and Fortune lists. In 2023, he became a television judge. In 2025, Time named him among the world's most influential digital creators. And now, in 2026, he has signed the deal of his life. From Senegal to global dominance, not through noise, but through clarity. This is why Khaby Lame matters. Not because he is rich, not because he is famous, but because he proves that African creativity, when paired with ownership and strategy, can compete at the highest level without compromise. At Africarized, this is the future we believe in. African stories told on African terms. African creators who don't just trend, but build. Visit the Africarized shop for apparel and accessories designed for thinkers, builders, and creators who understand that Africa's future will not be handed to us. It will be owned. From silence to supremacy, from content to empire, from Africa to the world. This is Africarized.